Minitron cooks a pad kapow from the comfort of the bossanova drive-through motocross bar. Show us your stuff, Minitron. Well, first off, there's a fried egg. I think pretty much anybody in the world knows how to fry an egg. But this is the next bit. This is where it gets Thai. 2 chilies is enough for me. 3 chilies will have you on fire. Now, I'll try to concentrate on this for as long as I can, but I know damn well that the fumes from that chili is going to hit me any second now, and I am going to have to run off to avoid the fallout. I do believe that meat product that went in there originated from a chicken. So far, so good. Meanwhile, anybody that wants to venture up this way is more than welcome to drop into Minitron's Roadhouse and Nosh Hut. I was originally just going to call it the Nosh Hut, but it's just too damn difficult trying to explain the double entendre of Nosh. Oh! Minitron's going for the water. On a good day, we might use Thai whiskey instead. That's a good idea, love. Why don't you try using Sangsom instead? Huh? Yeah, cook it with Sangsom, yeah? So as you can see, that lot has been whizzing around in there in a not very spectacular style. And the magic is coming now. What's that one, love? Bean sauce. Yes. And we know beans are always good for sauce. Fish sauce.
No, not fish sauce.
Oh, not fish sauce. What's that one, love?
Bean sauce. Bean.
Another bean sauce. Okay, so if you flip 2 different beans, you get extra sauce.
Sugar.
Sugar. Yeah, for all those with a sweet tooth. Me included. And now, the oyster sauce, the stinky. And there's the stinky. So as you can see, all those were accurately measured out with a splash. And that is actually the kapow, which I think is basil in the real world. But that kapow, well, it's busy being flung around in there. It's night time now, so you're not going to get a good vision, but pretty much the kapow just grows. Yeah, it's night time. Just imagine there's a shitload of kapow growing right by the toilet. And that's how we do. That's probably why I haven't caught the Wu-Tang flu yet, because I already eat straight from the source of the crap. Yeah. So you grow your kapow by the septic tank, and it's very sweet. So there you go, 1 pad kapow guy, chicken and basil. Served in, my camera says 4:20, 4.20 minutes. And I'm going to end the video right now because that has got to go into my face. So, cheerio now, and if you enjoy slightly odd videos, I've got hundreds of them. Cheerio now.